Welcomes to Chemistry Exam YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about find the correct formula from the following. See, using IUPAC nomenclature, state the formula. They given nomenclature. So there are 4. So one by one we can discuss. What are the nomenclature given? Tetrarch is trifluorophosphine nickel 0. Second one, diamido tetraamine cobalt 3 bromide. Third one, ammonium trioxalato cobaltate 3. Fourth one, hexamine chromium 3. Hexafluorocobaltate 3. So we can discuss one by one. First one, what is that? Tetrarch is trifluorophosphine nickel 0. So first we can write the formula. What is that? So nickel tetrafluorophosphine. So this is the formula. Tetrarch is trifluorophosphine nickel 0. Tetrarch is in the sense 4 times. Tetrarch means 4 times. So triphenylphosphine nickel 0, which means oxidation state of nickel is 0. So what is the structure? So we can write nickel. So tetrahedral structure, PF3, and then PF3. This is the tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. So here what is that? In the nickel is what is that? Nickel atom is at the center, okay, and then surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 trifluorophosphine. So each bonded to the nickel through a phosphorus nickel sigma bond. Here nickel phosphorus sigma bond. So bond angle how much? Tetrahedral in the sense, what is that? 109.5 degree. This is the bond angle of this one. Okay. So tetrahedral geometry means what? So 4 PF3 ligands are positioned around the central nickel atom with bond angles of approximately 109.5 degree. Sigma bonding. Each PF3 is connected to the nickel atom through the sigma bond formed between the phosphorus atom of the PF3 and the nickel atom. And this complex is diamagnetic, which means nickel atom is low spin state. So electrons are paired. So first one, tetrarch is trifluorophosphine nickel 0. We can discuss formula, what is the structure, and then explanation of full structure. So this is tetrahedral complex and nickel phosphorus sigma bond and bond angle 109.5 degree, diamagnetic, low spin state, electrons are paired. Next, second one. Second one, what is that? Diamido tetraamine cobalt 3 bromide. See, NH2 amido, diamido 2 times, and then tetraamine, which means ammonia, NH3 4 times, and then what is that? Bromide, Br. So here cobalt, what is that? 3 means, so 3 bromine outside. So this is the formula. So cobalt indicates +3 oxidation state. Tetraamine means what is that? There are 4 ammonia ligands attached to the cobalt ion. And then diamido means there are 2 amido means NH2 ligands attached to the cobalt ion CO. So bromide indicates the presence of bromide ions as a counter ion to the balanced charge, which means, so cobalt has +3 charge and each amido has -1 charge, each ammonia 0 charge. So 3 bromide ions are needed balance the charge, resulting this formula. Okay, here what is that? Cobalt +3 oxidation state, and then amido NH2, what is that? -1 oxidation state, and then ammonia, each ammonia has 0 state. So bromide, so 3 bromide ions, 3 bromide ions. So this is the 3 bromide ions are needed to the balance charge. So this complex is octahedral complex. Octahedral complex because cobalt connected with the 6 atom, 2 amido, 4 amine. So next, third one. Third one, what is that? Ammonium trioxalato, cobaltate 3. So ammonium in the sense what? NH4. So here cobalt oxidation state +3 means how many ammonium? 3. Inside the complex CO, C2, O4. So how many oxalate? Trioxalato, which means 3, and then in the complex 3 minus. This is the structure means formula of this complex. So ammonium cations, NH4 plus cations. The cobalt ion is +3 oxidation state, 3 binded oxalate, C2O4 2 minus, 3 binded oxalate, so -3 charge. The ammonium ions act as counter ions to balance charge. So this type of structure we can write cobalt C double bond O, so here O, and then C double bond O, and here O, like this. Okay, so same 3, another O, C double bond O, C double bond O, O, like this, and last one O, C double bond O, C double bond O, O, and then connected here. So this is the number 1 oxalate, this is number 2 oxalate, this is number 3 oxalate, this is the, what is that? So this is the structure, and outside ammonium 3, this is the structure. Okay, ammonium trioxalato cobaltate 3. So again I am repeating those points. Ammonium, the compounds including ammonium ions is, this is the counter ion, and trioxalato, this one trioxalato, this indicates the presence of 3 oxalate ligands coordinate with the central metal atom, and cobaltate 3 specifies that the central metal cobalt in the +3 oxidation state. Anion, this full complex is the anion. What is that? Trioxalato cobaltate 3. Ion is the anionic part of the complex, this one, this fully. So the complex ion trioxalato cobaltate 3 is a coordination compound where the oxalate ligands are bonded to the cobalt ion through coordinate covalent bond. This one we can remember, coordinate covalent bond. This complex. Okay, so and then now last one, what is that? Hexaamine chromium 3 hexafluoro cobaltate 3. What is the formula? First this one and another one, this one complex and another one, this one second. Here 2 complex is present. So what is that? Hexaamine means what? Ammonia. How many times? 6 times. Chromium, central metal atom, chromium. Another complex, what is that here? Hexafluoro cobaltate 3. So COF6. So this is the full formula of this following this nomenclature. So here, so we can separate means CrNH3 6 3 plus and this one COF6 3 minus. Sorry, 3 minus. This portion is cationic part. This portion is anionic part. Both of them, what is that? Octahedral complex. CrNH36 and COF6. So here all amine, 6 amine surrounded by the chromium central metal atom, and here all fluorine surrounded by the cobalt metal atom. Okay, hexaamine indicates 6 ammonia ligands attached to the central chromium atom. So chromium 3 denotes that the chromium atom is in the +3 oxidation state, and here hexafluoro indicates 6 fluoride. 6 fluoride ligands attached to the central cobalt atom. Cobaltate 3 indicates that the cobalt atom is in the +3 oxidation state and is the part of an anionic complex. So here 8 in the sense, what is that? Suffix. So here we discussed what is that. So they given the nomenclature of the complex. So they asked the what is the formula of this nomenclature. So we explained very well all the 4 nomenclature. We explained very well. If you have any doubt, please comment this video and then share this video to your friends and others, and please subscribe Chemistry Exam YouTube channel. You will get new videos. After that you will get the notification. So please follow Chemistry Exam channel regularly watch it. Thanks for watching this video.